Guys, today I'm going to share with you how to figure out what stocks institutions are buying. These are the stocks that banks, mutual funds, hedge funds, and insurance companies are all buying or selling. And I'm going to show you exactly how to find them. First thing you're going to do is look up FinViz. It's going to bring you to the home screen, and you're going to want to go to the screener. So let's take a look at the stocks in the screener here, sorted by market cap. First, we'll click on Microsoft. If we scroll down and look at the fundamentals here, we'll see the institutional ownership. It's at 73%. That means 73.62% of the stock is owned by institutions. If we go back to the screener here, click all, and change the institutional ownership here. If we change it to over 50%, and we sort our companies again by market cap, I think it's loading. It'll give us a list of companies here again. So we have our top companies in the world, minus Google, Berkshire, Tesla, Walmart, and some other ones. So this tells us that those companies, Google, Berkshire, Walmart, and Tesla, all have less than 50% institutional ownership. And all the companies on this list have more than that. So another cool tool we can use here is institutional transactions. If we go to over 50%, plus 50% institutional transactions in the last 3 months, this means that all of these companies, their institutional ownership has increased by more than 50% in the last 3 months. So all these companies have over 50% institutional ownership, and that ownership has increased by 50% in the last 3 months. You can also use this the opposite way. If we go to under 30% here, it's a smaller amount of companies, but this means the institutional ownership has decreased by 30% in the last 3 months. So this gives you a good list of companies that you can choose from with their institutional ownership. So we can see even bigger names end up on this list the lower we make the institutional transactions. But one thing that I love to use this tool for is for long-term investments and for swing trades. It's always good to know where the big money is invested in, where the mutual funds and hedge funds invest their money. And by using the institutional ownership tool, we can see exactly where this money is being held. So before you go buy your stocks, it's always good to just check these lists and see what stocks institutions are owned by, or which stocks institutions own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. If you did enjoy, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.